Before you pay $30 a month for Zapier, watch this. After testing this for 30 days, my take is there's a tool doing the same job for free. It's called n8n, and most people use it wrong. n8n has native AI agent nodes built in. I spent 3 hours building a working chatbot without writing a line of code. Comment, build, if you want my exact setup. Self-host, n8n, and workflows run completely free. No per task fees, no execution limits, ever. Zapier's starter plan is $30 a month. That only covers 750 tasks. n8n self-hosted costs, 0, with no task cap. Don't want to self-host? n8n Cloud starts at €24 a month. Pro is €60 for 10,000 executions. Tell me below, self-hosted or cloud? My score, after running this on 6 different projects, 8.5 out of 10. Pros, free self-hosting, huge integration library, native AI nodes. Con, it's harder to learn than Zapier. Link in the description. Subscribe for daily AI tool reviews.